Good morning. Good morning, Mr. Ham. I'm not sure.
Good morning, Judge Allen.
Hi, I can't see you.
Oh, I'm sorry. Let me try to fix that.
While you're working on that, I will tell everyone welcome to probate court number 2. I'm Judge Brooke Allen in Tarrant County, Texas. I am actually in the courtroom, so if anybody needed to be heard on this estate, the estate of Sherry Ann Richardson Dwinell, then they could be. We are also live streaming on YouTube today per the Office of Court Administration. So Mr. Ham, I will remind you when you're asking questions, sometimes we get a little more specific as to addresses and different things, but I will ask you not to do that so that we protect the privacy of your client and the decedent and anyone else joining us. However, I do need to meet your burden under Texas law. So is that your client with you, Mr. Ham?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Okay. And Ms. Richardson is joining us. Are you observing, or Ms. Richardson? Hold on. Ms. Richardson?
Yes. We have to unmute this. How do I unmute this?
Okay, you're unmuted.
Oh, good. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You're observing today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. Mr. Ham, are you going to be our notary today, or do you have a notary with you?
I'm going to be the notary, Your Honor.
Okay, well, if you will ask your client to raise her right hand and ask her if she swears to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help her God, to swear her in, please.
All right, Denise, do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Go ahead.
Okay. Would you please state your name for the record, please?
Sherry Denise Nordling.
And are you the daughter of Sherry Ann Richardson Dwinell, the decedent in this matter?
Yes.
And did your mother pass away on November 4th, 2019 at the age of 76?
Yes.
And is it correct that the court has jurisdiction and venue is proper because she was domiciled in Texas and had a fixed place of residence in Tarrant County at the time of her death?
Yes.
Is it true that she owned property generally described as real estate, cash, and personal effects?
Correct. Yes.
Is it correct that she left a will dated June 5th, 2018?
Yes.
Is it also correct that that will was never revoked?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to show
Mr.
you
Ham,
a
I'm not
copy
sure,
of your mother's
Mr.
will.
Ham,
Yes,
I'm not sure if it was a skip in their audio or not, but I have a will dated and the order says June 15th, and I thought you said 5th.
Oh, no, it is June 15th, Your Honor.
Okay, you'll go back and clarify that and make sure the proof is correct, please.
Yes, Your Honor. So just to clarify for the court, is it correct that the will belonging to your mother was dated June 15th, 2018?
That is correct. Yes.
All right, and I'm going to show you a copy of that will. I'm going to show your mother's signature. Does that signature that appears on this will appear to be your mother's signature?
Yes, it does.
Is necessity exists for an administration of this estate in order to pay off the debts remaining and also to distribute the assets according to her wishes?
Yes.
After the will was executed, was any children born or adopted by your mother?
No.
Was any marriage of the decedent ever dissolved after the will was made?
No.
And does the will name you as the independent executor?
Yes.
And are you disqualified from serving as executor?
No.
You've never been convicted of any felonies or crimes of moral turpitude?
No.
Did the will name a state governmental agency or a charitable organization in the will?
No.
And are you asking the court to admit this will to probate today?
Yes.
and for the court to issue letters testamentary.
Yes.
That is all I have, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Nordling, there's a few other qualifications. Do you live here in Texas?
Yes.
And have you ever been adjudicated incompetent?
No.
Okay. Did your mother pass away at James L. West Hospice House in Tarrant County?
That is correct. Yes.
Okay. Were you in possession of the original will?
Yes.
Did you deliver that to Mr. Ham?
I did.
Okay. Is it your understanding that he delivered it to the court?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to show you what I have as what I believe to be the original will. And after I show it all to you, I'm going to ask you if in fact it's the original will that you delivered to Mr. Ham that I believe he delivered to this court. This is the first page. And it says there are 5 pages. I'm going to skip to the 3rd page. Is that your mother's signature?
Yes, it is.
Okay. And the 4th page at the top appears to have another witness. And the last page. Is that your mother's signature at the top?
Yes, it is.
Okay. And does that appear to be the original will that you delivered to Mr. Ham?
Yes.
Okay. All right, I will find that Sherry Ann Richardson Dwinell was a resident of Tarrant County when she passed away, and you have proved up her will in accordance with Texas law. I'll admit her will to probate, and I'll find you're a proper person to serve as independent executrix. So,
Can I say something?
well, is there any objection?
I just need to see.
Oh, hold on.
I just need to see on the
Ms.
will.
Richardson, Ms. Richardson, ask if there's
Yes.
any objection. Mr. Ham?
No, Your Honor, I will let her speak at this time.
Okay.
I just wanted to know the names of the beneficiaries listed.
Okay. The will is on file with the court, and that is a public record. This is not the time or place to be discussing who the beneficiaries are and that type of thing. And as always, I recommend people get attorneys if they have an issue with any type of legal matter.
Thank you.
Ms. Nordling, will you please raise your right hand? Do you, Sherry Denise Nordlead, solemnly swear that the writing which has been offered for probate is the last will and testament of Sherry Ann Richardson Dwinell, so far as you know or believe, and will you well and truly perform all the duties of independent executrix of her will and her estate?
I will. Yes.
Okay, you're going to sign your oath and your testimony. Mr. Ham's going to have that notarized and filed with the court. The order will come to Mr. Ham from Mr. Clay. It was also going to come with some information about being an independent executrix. That's going to tell you your obligations and your rights, but it does not substitute for Mr. Ham, and I trust you're going to continue to work with him.
Yes, correct.
All right, once all that is finished, the court, the clerk will mail the letters to Mr. Ham. Is there anything else for
Thank
today?
you, Your Honor.
That's all.
Nothing further, Your Honor.
Thank you all very much. Have a good rest of your week.
Thank you.
You too. Thank you.